Hi, I'm Peter, and this is how to assemble and install kitchen base cabinets. Let's get into it. Base cabinets are the heart of your kitchen setup, so it's important to get them straight and secure from the start. Start by laying out your parts and checking them off against the instructions. A clear, flat workspace makes things easier. To assemble the cabinet, start by applying some exterior wood glue along the edges for extra strength. Then, line up the back panel with the base and secure them using the supplied screws. Once that's done, apply wood glue and screw the side panel directly onto the cabinet. This not only locks everything into place, but also helps keep the structure nice and square. If your cabinet comes with a support rail, fit that next. It adds extra support for the bench top and helps the cabinet hold its shape. Next, attach the adjustable feet to the base of the cabinet using the pre-existing holes and adjust the height to 145mm. These are key for getting everything level, especially on uneven floors. From here, it's time to install the base cabinet. As you can see, we've already started installing some of the cabinetry. When you begin, check if your floors are level, and if not, start at the lowest point of your floor. That way, you avoid ending up with too large a gap in your kickboard at the other end. Now position the cabinet and adjust the feet if needed. Keeping in mind, we can't go above 145mm as this is the height the kickboard's coming. So if you find that one of your cabinets is exceeding 145mm, adjust the height of the feet in the other cabinets to ensure that you are below 145mm or lower. Line up the fronts of your cabinets so they're flush and level and clamp them together. Pre-drill through the side panels and fix them with screws. If you need to make cutouts for holes and pipes, take careful measurements and mark where the holes should be. Next, using a stud finder, locate where the wall studs are and secure your cabinets to that. Ensure you use a minimum of 65mm screws. And now it's time to fit the hinges. For these doors, we're using a standard hinge kit. Start by removing the hinge arms from the mounting plates. To do this, just press the release tab at the end. Line up the elongated holes on each plate with the pre-drilled holes inside the cabinet. Make sure the round holes in the plate face the front. Then secure them using 14mm screws. Once the plates are in, line up each door so that the hinge arms align with the mounted plates. Clip each hinge arm into place with a firm push. You'll hear it click when they lock in. Check each door to make sure it's secure, then gently open and close them to test the movement. Finally, install the adjustable shelf. Place the shelf support brackets into position, then lay your shelf on top. After installing your run of cabinets, fit an end panel to the outer cabinet. This gives the setup a cleaner and more polished finish. And there you have it. Your cabinets are in and ready for the benchtop installation. If you like this video, make sure to check out the other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.